Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix no sound for navigation directions in Waze. This is a super common issue that many users face, and the fix is actually quite straightforward. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Waze app and direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see three horizontal lines, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of Waze's settings and features. Once the menu opens, look for the settings option and tap on it. This is where you'll find all the controls for how Waze behaves, including your navigation voice settings. The settings menu contains everything from display preferences to privacy controls, but we're specifically interested in the audio settings for this tutorial. Now, within the settings menu, you'll need to find and tap on voice and sound. This section controls all audio-related features in Waze, including how the app communicates directions to you while you're driving. It's the central hub for managing navigation voice output and volume levels. Here's the key part. You'll see an option called Spoken Directions at the top of this screen. Make sure this is not set to off, as that would completely disable all voice navigation. Instead, you have a few options to choose from depending on your preference. You can select normal if you want full guidance with all turn-by-turn instructions, less chatty if you prefer fewer announcements, or only alerts if you just want to hear about important warnings like accidents or police ahead. Choose the option that best fits your driving style. Next, scroll down a bit and you'll see guidance volume in the sound section. This slider controls how loud the navigation voice will be. Simply adjust the slider to the right to increase the volume. Make sure it's at a level where you can clearly hear the directions over your car's radio or any background noise. Test it out by dragging it to different positions until you find the right balance. And that's it. Your Waze navigation sound should now be working perfectly, and you'll be able to hear all your turn-by-turn directions clearly while driving. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.